Alaska Conservation Foundation. The Alaska Conservation Foundation was founded in 1980 with the vision of protecting Alaska's natural environment and the cultures and diverse ways of life that it sustains. ACF accomplishes this through connecting donors and business worldwide with local conservation organizations and projects in Alaska. By funding and supporting nonprofit organizations, ACF is able to support critical environmental issues that impact all regions of our state. ACF provides grants, leadership, and coordination expertise to Alaska's conservation issues that include the Bristol Bay watershed. The Bristol Bay watershed is a largely unspoiled, teeming ecosystem that's sustained by the millions of salmon that spawn in rivers and streams in the area each year. The area is remote and sparsely populated, but full of wildlife that calls the tundra home. The salmon runs not only support the wildlife, it also supports the economy of the Alaskan natives in the region that still live traditional lifestyles and depend on salmon as a source of food and employment. This ecosystem and way of life could be forever destroyed if the Pebble Mine project is allowed to be constructed. The Pebble Mine is a proposed open pit mine that could be the largest in North America, and with any such project comes the possibility for ecological disaster. The damage that could be caused by mine waste, flooding, and the leaching of toxic chemicals into man-made lakes would be enormous and incalculable. Alaska Conservation Foundation's Bristol Bay Protection Campaign has been able to support the diverse coalition of fishermen, businesses, and environmental groups by working to prevent permitting of the mine. With an estimated $300 billion worth of recoverable metals, the law to allow permitting on a state level is a Over the past few years, several bills have been introduced into the Alaska state legislature that has failed. Even a clean water initiative was voted down after heavy advertising and a high-profile public debate. ACF has continued to support the opposing coalition for the project regardless. Several native groups have filed lawsuits against the state of Alaska Department of Natural Resources. These lawsuits aim to show that the Alaska DNR has on several occasions violated the Alaska Constitution with regards to the Pebble Mine project. More recently, the ACF campaign got unsolicited support from an EPA impact assessment. While the assessment did nothing to prevent the construction of the mine, the Pebble Partnership and the 2 of the 3 members of the Alaska Congressional Delegation criticized it. However, the EPA did something unexpected. They proposed restrictions on the project in accordance with the Clean Water Act. This action has led to a drawn-out legal battle between the EPA and the Pebble Partnership that may not be resolved for years. This delay has given the ACF much-needed time to work with the coalition to and we're complete with the Alaska Conservation Foundation article and presentation. Thank you for listening.